Laing O'Rourke's ambition is to be a globally focused, enduring engineering enterprise.
But there's much more to our story than that.
The fact is, we think it's an incredible story, one which we want to share with you because we're all proud to be an integral part of it.
Proud to be part of an organisation that has become renowned the world over for excellence in everything that we do.
In the decade since the acquisition of the Laing construction business, the group has established itself as one of the industry's true leaders.
But our history goes back much further than that.
We've actually been leading the way since 1848.
With pioneering achievements such as social housing and the world's first commercial nuclear power station.
And today, the scope of our business is every bit as impressive. From this major rail project here in the Australian outback,
right through to the Olympic Park in London, where we're responsible for managing the hugely complex project from start to finish.
In fact, we have a presence across most building and infrastructure sectors, a diverse project portfolio that ensures long-term stability.
Our strategy is to selectively identify opportunities in dynamic growth markets. This is where we can apply our experience and expertise to the greatest benefit for all our clients.
Our integrated delivery model makes us an end-to-end service provider for all our clients' engineering and construction needs.
We're privileged to be working with some of the biggest names in the world, building enduring relationships as a trusted advisor, helping our clients achieve their goals with the very best engineering and construction solutions.
Because we believe in the power of collaboration.
Working together at every stage of the project to ensure the smartest, highest value solution.
Clients want to know that the project will be delivered to the standards they set, and our in-house capability means we have greater control over the end product.
Not only that, we are using technology to harness the power of hindsight.
On the many projects we've completed, creating valuable foresight for clients on future projects.
But it's also our reputation as an engineering enterprise that sets us apart from the rest.
Our philosophy is to make the best that exists even better. And if something hasn't been done before, we'll get some of the world's best engineering minds to make it happen.
Because at Laing O'Rourke, innovation is an integral part of our culture.
we work with investors, developers, architects, designers and a diverse range of industries to deliver smarter solutions that exploit today's technologies to their full potential.
In short, our engineering enterprise is about combining discipline in delivery with constant pursuit of innovation.
We're finding the best ways to complete projects that balance the interests of all our stakeholders.
Constantly challenging everything we do with a view to making everything safer, smarter, better, quicker and at less cost too.
And wherever possible, we'll employ our off-site manufacturing and pre-assembly capabilities directly into our design and construction phases.
To deliver even more cost-efficient client solutions that exceeds the quality and safety standards of traditional construction.
And safety isn't a spectator sport at Laing O'Rourke. Every single one of us has a personal responsibility to maintain a safe and healthy working environment.
Mission Zero is our global strategy to eliminate all accidents from our business by 2020. And although an incredible challenge, it has never put us off before.
Because when you work in some of the most hostile environments on earth, taking care of the workforce is absolutely essential.
So once again, we've led the way in setting new standards for employee welfare across the industry, making sure that our people are always looked after.
Similarly, our development programs are some of the best in the world, nurturing the next generation of industry talent today so they can become the leaders of the future.
Our apprenticeship and entry-level programme give young people a real chance to build a rewarding career in the industry.
And we've established partnerships with some of the world's leading teaching and research institutions to further support their growth.
Our employees are amongst the most engaged and committed in any global company, way above the construction industry norm.
And our entrepreneurial culture gives everyone the opportunity to achieve their full potential.
But the real heroes of Laing O'Rourke are our project leaders, delivering structures to a level of specification and quality which a few years ago would have been inconceivable.
Not only that, we're also challenging and changing the way we build, driving efficiencies in the construction and operation of infrastructure to create a more sustainable built environment.
We believe
the construction industry can make a major contribution to lowering the global carbon footprint of our cities.
In the UK, over 90% of all our construction waste is diverted from landfill and recycled back into the construction process or used for other commercial purposes.
With hundreds of large projects globally, Laing O'Rourke is also privileged to play an active and positive role in advancing many different communities around the world.
For example, we're the first major construction company in Australia to put in place a government-accredited reconciliation action plan to support the advancement of Indigenous workers and communities.
And we're also building important social infrastructures like schools and hospitals,
which will improve the life of the many thousands of people who use them every day.
A sustainable company in every respect, we're continuing to produce positive financial results that allow us to invest in our future.
As a privately owned company, it is good to know that our shareholders are prepared to think long-term when it comes to investing in people, new ideas and business growth.
Because Laing O'Rourke is a naturally restless organisation working to change the image of the construction industry for the better.
Earning us a valuable global reputation as true innovators in the industry.
So you see, it certainly is an incredible story.
Only there's many more exciting chapters yet to come.